Diagla National Park again, and I've just heard there is a python up ahead on the trail, so I'm going to head down to Greens Falls where it was spotted and see if I can find it and show you guys what that looks like. I've seen this python a few times before, and I think it's the usual spot that it hangs out in, but it's a rainy day here, so I think it's going to be pretty low energy, not a lot of sunlight for it to warm up with. And last time I saw it, assuming it's the same one, it looks like it hadn't ate for a while, so I'll try not to disturb it too much. Guys, so check out this amazing carpet python here. So I'm up here in Diagla National Park and I'm just next to Greens Falls, and this guy is just chilling out on the handrail here, and I found him like this. Now this carpet python, I would have to guess maybe 1.5 meters long, but they can be found all around this national park, typically by creeks like this. This is where the food hangs out, so you were talking frogs, toads, little skinks, marsupials, and whatever it's little that it can get its hands on and constrict. One of the big problems that we have here in Diagla is cane toads, and these guys will actually often try and eat cane toads, which is a big problem because they are poisonous for them. So if you ever see a python with a cane toad, make sure to pull it into a ranger because they are poisonous and it does seriously harm them. I'm going to leave this guy be for a little bit and try and get some shots for you, and hopefully you've enjoyed.